Hello everyone. So in this video, let's look at some advanced Python concepts. The first concept that I want to discuss is the map function. So map function generally has the syntax where you use the map keyword followed by passing in a function and iterables separated by comma. So let's look at an example here. Let's define a function called sum, which takes in two objects x and y, and then it returns the sum of x plus y. Now let's create two iterables. Let's call them list1, and then to save time, let's copy this, and then let's make changes to the variables in this list, and let's call this second list lst2. So now we have a function, we have two iterables. Now if you want to use the map function, the way we do that is by first creating a variable. Let's call it map function, and then the way you use map function is by using the map keyword followed by parenthesis, and then you pass in the function followed by the two iterables, in this case lst1 and lst2. And now when you print the map function, you get a map object. So a map object is something different from what we have seen before. So basically, in order to save memory, when you use map function, it gets stored as a map object. Now if you want to access the elements of this map function, that can be done by using or converting this into a list. So the way we do that is by print. So you're basically typecasting that to be a list, and then you can pass in the map function. So now you can see that what the map function has done is it has taken the first element of list1 and the first element of list2 and then added them as per the way we defined our function sum. Thank you.